Friday, 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 Friday. I was waiting, I'll wait for that. It's Friday and that's a fact. It's Friday fact, yeah! A new fact every Friday.
In Azure Logic Apps, you can abstract values that might change in workflows across development, test, and production environments by defining parameters. A Logic App parameter stores values that can be reused throughout a Logic App workflow. These parameters allow for a more flexible and maintainable configuration of Logic Apps, making it easier to update values without changing the actual workflow's logic. Parameters can store various types of data, such as strings, secure strings, boolean, arrays, or any other data that might need to be used multiple times within the Logic App or may change based on the environment, development, test, production, etc. They can also be defined at deployment time using CI/CD pipelines. By using parameters, you can easily update these values in one place without needing to edit the logic in multiple actions or triggers throughout the app. In practice, you define parameters in the Logic App's definition and can then use them in expressions or directly in actions throughout the app. When the Logic App is deployed or executed, these parameters are evaluated and used accordingly. This approach helps you manage and deploy Logic Apps across different environments, making the workflows more dynamic and easier to configure. The funny fact about parameters is that they are probably the only Logic App component that doesn't have a size limit regarding the name. For example, Logic App Consumption Name has a maximum limit of 80 characters. Logic App Standard Workflow Name has a maximum limit of 43 characters. A Trigger or Action Name has a maximum limit of 80 characters, and so on. But the Logic App Parameter Name is unlimited. To prove that and for fun, I have successfully created a parameter with 11,178 characters. To be honest, I think this is crazy. They should fix this and set up a limit because giving that amount of power to developers, and I'm a developer too, is insane. We can do some nasty stuff. We hope you enjoy this fact and follow us for new videos. Have a nice weekend and see you next Friday for another fact.